Hello everyone, it's David at Grow and Eat This. It's the middle of June. It's been in the mid and high 90s all day for days, but it doesn't matter. These beans need to get picked. This video is about picking multiple types of beans. I've got some bush Italian Romano beans, some regular bush beans, got some beautiful Musica pole beans. So we're going to be picking a bunch of beans and see how they're coming. This is the first pickings. This is the first pickings. Let's see if I can fight off the mosquitoes that are down here in droves. So, this is one giant collection of beans ready to be picked. These are a Roma bush bean. They're supposed to be a flat pod like an Italian bean, but these don't look particularly like that. Maybe a little more than usual, but not a lot. But they're a nice looking bean. Let's see if I can get seated down here. Cut the back a break. Boy, there are a lot of beans in here. Wow. They are incredibly prolific. This is going to be like a lifetime supply of beans. This is a 2-foot by 8-foot bed that I just put one row down the middle of seeds. And obviously, as you can see, they really grew. I'm going to pick these pretty hard because I want them to give me another flush. And there are so many. So we worked our way through this 8-foot bed, and of course, as you know, it doesn't matter how much you pick, you can always find more. But there's what we got out of there. There's what Chris pulled off the Musica bush beans. That's some of my big favorite ones. Looks like some of those in there may end up being fish beans, but that's okay, the fish like them too. So, this is David at Grow and Eat This. That's our first picking of beans. We got more beans all over the place. Gonna try and get a bunch of beans in the freezer. So thank you for watching this. Please subscribe. And this is Zone 7B 8A, Lawrenceville, Georgia. Middle of June. It's hot. Thank you for watching.